The benefits of having science camp here in the district, it gives the kids an opportunity to come back together. They get to learn how to meet other students from different campuses. They get to share their experiences together. And it gives them an opportunity to be creative and just to learn new things and to dive into things that they love. This year, yeah, we're doing Under the Sea, and so they're getting to do lots of experiments. This is the first year that I have done art. The kids are getting to use glow and learn about jellyfish and how they are bioluminescence, and so they're using a lot of those great science vocabulary words, and so it's very exciting. Well, they're learning about, careers that they could have, being scientists and who, what fields would be used in that, and the technology that they pull into that, the art that's included into that. So just pulling in lots of different dynamics of just real world experiences that apply to everything in our earth.
We're at science camp and we're learning about, and right now we're learning about tsunamis and natural disasters. Yeah, I helping her and talking to her while the video is going. I'm telling Sappy what's going on in the video so that she helps can envision it, and with our hands, if it's water, then I could go like this, as the water moving. And it just helps her a lot. And on the playground when she's taking me around, it also helps so I don't fall where there's certain drop-offs.
I love working with the teachers that are here. They're excited about science camp. I love seeing the kids. They get so excited and they have so much knowledge already, and then the things that they get to learn and the excitement about each and every class, and they come back and get to tell about what they learned the day before or that morning, and so it's always very exciting. I love to be here.
Just being in this camp in general is just a very fun activity.